Hi everyone, my name is Jace. I am a diabetes educator. The topic of today's educational session is what foods contain carbohydrates. At the end of this session, participants should be able to identify foods that contain carbohydrates. A lot of people have trouble identifying foods that contain carbohydrates. Some people don't realize that milk has carbohydrate in it. They think it's a protein food. Others don't realize that fruit contains carbohydrate, or the whole grain food, such as brown rice, isn't a carb-free food. So, what's carbohydrate, and what's a function of carbohydrate? Carb is short for carbohydrates, and it refers to sugars, starches, fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, syrups, junk food, milk, and more, which break down inside the body to create glucose. Carbohydrate is one of the three macronutrients. The other two are protein and fat. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose before being absorbed into the bloodstream. Carbs are largely used as an energy source by our bodies, being the preferred fuel for our brain, nervous system, and red blood cells. Carbs are found in an array of everyday foods and drinks. They are found mostly in plant foods, milk, and yogurt. The most three common kinds of carbohydrates are sugars, starches, and dietary fibers. So the next question is, which foods contain carbohydrates? I'm gonna give you some examples now. Grains such as bread, noodles, rice, crackers, pasta, and cereals. Fruits such as bananas, apples, melons, berries, and mangoes. Dairy products such as yogurt and milk. Legumes such as dried beans and peas. Snack foods and sweets such as cakes, lollies, and other desserts. Juices, soft drinks, sports drinks, and energy drinks that contain sugars. Vegetables, especially starchy vegetables such as potatoes, peas, and corn. Potatoes, peas, and corn are called starchy vegetables because they are high in starch. These vegetables have more carbohydrates per serving than non-starchy vegetables. Examples of non-starchy vegetables are asparagus, carrots, celery, zucchini, tomatoes, and spinach. Foods that do not contain carbohydrates include meat, fish, poultry, most types of cheese, nuts, oil, and other fats. So, are all carbohydrates created equal? The recommendation is get the right kind of carbs by cutting out as many processed and baked goods, sugary drinks, sweets, and added sugar as possible from your diet, since they're all packed with empty calories. Instead, you can choose whole grains, veggies, and fresh fruit. These have more fibers and vitamins which will keep you healthy. Low-carb diets are healthier for you. Some studies have shown that a low-carb diet can provide short-term reductions in HbA1c in people with diabetes, but not long-term benefits. Healthy carb-rich foods can provide vitamins and fibers which are good for our bodies. These are the take-home messages for today. The three most common kinds of carbohydrates in foods are sugars, starches, and dietary fibers. Carbohydrates are found mostly in milk, yogurt, and plant foods, which include grains, veggies, and fruits. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you still have any questions regarding foods containing carbohydrates, make sure you list it down below. I will find answers for you. Thank you.